everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Qgebeha from the 13th to the 17th of March 2023 on Monday. Mxenge'S fakes a politician's death. Bulelo confront to learn about his dangerous desire. Zimkita find out just how untouchable the captain is on Tuesday. Bulelo takes extreme measures to stop disaster from striking between Tulani and Anati. Mxenge'S continues to fly a little too close to the sun. Luzuko makes a decision that matters his family on Wednesday. Luzuko struggled to convince his wife that everything will be fine. Mxenge'S gamble blows up in his face on Thursday. Mxenge'S is about to be killed by Mandla and his crew. Nozuko isn't happy about having Anati in her house at all. Bulelwa set things straight between Tulani and Nontle on Friday. Luzuko goes on the offense and no one ups Roy. Bulelwa blindsided Tulani, Mxenge'S and Ntando dive into the ocean. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.